Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best Moka Pot brands in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Bialetti Moka Express Pot. This Moka pot is made from the original Bialetti Moka design, which has 8 sides. Besides, it's made in Italy with Bialetti's patented design, which helps heat diffusion and provides you with the best stovetop espresso. The pot has an ergonomic, anti-scald handle and is easy to use. The patented safety valve offers protection, and I find it easy to clean. This Moka Express pot comes in a range of sizes. Whether you want to prepare coffee for one or your whole family, you can choose between a 1-cup and an 18-cup model. However, the 6-cup model is the most popular and widely used. Furthermore, the pot is compatible with gas and electric burners. I also use it on camp stoves, especially when making coffee outdoors. Number 2. Our second best pick is GROSCHE Milano Stovetop Espresso Maker Moka Pot. This Moka pot is made in Canada with an Italian design. The pot has a unique burn guard handle with a built-in buffer between the knuckles area and the sidewall of the pot to minimize the possibility of accidentally burning yourself. Besides, the handle is made of heat-resistant rubber-coated plastic. Some models have a wooden-looking handle. The stovetop coffee maker is made of aluminum and has an exterior enamel finish. I love the modern appearance and the color of the pot. Besides, it comes in 4 different sizes, ranging from 1 cup to 9 cups. Moreover, it's made of food-safe aluminum on the inside. This is suitable for use on most stovetops except on induction stoves. On the other hand, the pot has a silicone gasket seal, which usually controls pressure and prevents leaks. Number 3. Our third best pick is a Musa USA Aluminum Stovetop Coffee Maker. If you are looking for the best Moka pot with a compact design, count on this one. The coffee maker is extremely portable and has a 3-cup capacity. Besides, the coffee maker is made of aluminum, making it long-lasting and keeping your coffee warm all day long. Conversely, the handle and knob stay cool, as an added safety feature, ensuring I'm not burnt while pouring a cup of coffee. Additionally, the espresso maker features a flip-up top and side pour spout, designed to avoid spills while serving. This Moka pot works on both electric and stovetops. Besides, its compact size makes it ideal for camping trips. I recommend hand washing the espresso maker and avoiding dishwashing. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Bialetti Moka Pot. It features a dual pressure valve system to generate a richer crema floating on top of your coffee. I noted that the crema created is almost the same as that on a cafe espresso. Besides, the valve looks like a cap that sits on the chimney's top in the upper chamber. The pot creates a foam coating that improves your coffee's texture. For better results, you'll need to experiment with grind size and ensure it's fine. Also, consider the coffee-to-water ratio. Avoid using too much water with this coffee maker since it will destroy your crema. Besides, we recommend heating gently over low-medium heat to achieve the best results. The Moka Pot coffee maker is made of aluminum and has a black base. It also features a hole in the lid center, making it easier for me to monitor the brewing process without having to open the lid continuously. Conversely, the Moka pot is suitable for most stovetops except induction stoves. It's available in 2 sizes, 2 cups and 4 cups. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Bonvivo Intenca 10-ounce Stovetop Espresso Maker. For a great-looking Moka pot, count on this espresso maker. The pot has a simple, modern design and a stunning appearance. The coffee maker comes in 3 color options: copper, chrome, and black. Besides, the pot is made from stainless steel, making it more durable. Moreover, it comes with a heat-resistant stainless steel handle. I love this espresso maker since I can use it on any stovetop. The pot also comes with a pressure safety valve to avoid excessive pressure accumulation. Besides, it can hold 10 ounces of coffee. I never have an issue pouring coffee, unlike using some traditional mocha pots. I'm usually able to pour coffee easily and evenly. However, the lid and hinge feel fragile. This suave espresso coffee maker is the ideal stocking stuffer or Christmas gift for the caffeine connoisseur in your life to use time and time again. Reach out if you have any questions. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.